Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ever see somebody dressed to push back foot from head to toe? And I cuss off somebody and I style them in every kind of way? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, go and go do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 15 from verse 10 to verse 20. Then Jesus called the people them which part him there and say, hear what me I say and understand this. When somebody dirty and no sake of what them put in their mouth or what come out of their mouth make them dirty. Then him follower them come say to him say, you know, say the Pharisee them did feel a way when they hear what you say. Then take it to heart and vex. Hear Jesus now. Every plant when my Father in heaven never plant, I go root up. Allow them. Make them go on. Them are blind people where I lead blind people. If blind, I lead blind. The two of them not bound for drop in a hole. So Peter say, the story where you went tell the Pharisee people them. And what you did mean? Jesus say, you mean so no still no get what me I say? Oh no, say everything when you put in your mouth, go in your belly first. Then come out of your body, go in your toilet. But the sitting them will come out of your mouth. Out of the heart then come from. And at them sitting there, we make people dirty and not clean in a God's eye. Because out of the heart, all kind of wickedness where people think up come from. When somebody go kill, go sleep with somebody where they not married to, or go on with all kind of other sex sin. When people thief, tell lie, or take them mouth, tear down other people, at the heart then sit they come from, and them sitting there make people dirty. When on them yam, and no wash no hand, and no that cause people feel no clean in a God's eye. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.